Color on the skirt is gorgeous. This is a mini from the 60s from a company called Dandelion, and I love the ruby color. And then it has these little belt buckles in the back and then a metal zipper, and measures 15.5 in length. So it has a 24 waist, and here's its cute little vintage label. Dandelion sportswear, action sportswear. At 1-800-800-2727. Here's this gorgeous Anne Fogarty dress that measures 18 across the bust, 15 across the waist, and then it has this stuff here, these pull ties, to tie it down smaller at the back by the zipper. And it's a 34 in length. Also, let's see its label. Here we are, the old Anne Fogarty label, Margot Incorporated. So here we have this beautiful dress by Anne Fogarty. The colors are just vivid and gorgeous, and the cotton material is exquisite. Inside looks like very old, beautiful. Love this space age dress. Love the silvery metallic fabric. It's so cool. See it? And has a little acetate lining under it. I love this neckline and these lines. They're so simple but so cool looking. It's 34 in length. Let them play. Oops, sorry. Okay, and here's the back. Lovely, lovely. And hold it closer. Sorry. Yeah. Right. Lovely, Minnie. Lovely, lovely.